Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your name on Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Then tap your name at the top of the settings. Choose Personal Information. Then tap Name at the top of the options. You can change your first, middle, and last names here. Tap on your name, change it to your desired name, then tap OK in the top right corner. Once you have fully changed your name, tap Done. Your name has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.